You're not overeating because you have no willpower. You're overeating because you're eating the wrong foods. Most people trying to eat less end up hungry again an hour later and then blame themselves for it. But hunger isn't a discipline problem. It's a protein problem. These are the top 10 high-protein foods that actually keep you full for hours. No starving, no snacking every 20 minutes. Here's the science in one sentence. Protein takes longer to digest than carbs or fat, and it directly suppresses ghrelin, the hormone that makes you feel hungry. More protein means fewer cravings, fewer calories consumed without even trying. Number 1. Eggs. One of the most complete protein sources on the planet. 2 eggs give you around 12 grams of protein, plus healthy fats that slow digestion even further. Studies show people who eat eggs for breakfast consume significantly fewer calories for the rest of the day. Hard-boiled, scrambled, poached, doesn't matter. Just eat them. Number 2. Greek yogurt. Not regular yogurt, Greek yogurt. It has nearly double the protein, around 15 to 20 grams per cup, and is packed with probiotics that support gut health. Have it with some berries in the morning, and you won't be thinking about food for hours. Number 3. Chicken breast. The classic for a reason. A single cooked chicken breast gives you around 30 to 35 grams of lean protein with almost no fat. It's versatile, affordable, and keeps you full longer than almost anything else at the same calorie count. Number 4. Lentils. This one surprises people. 1 cup of cooked lentils has about 18 grams of protein, plus fiber, which doubles the satiety effect. They're also one of the cheapest foods on the grocery list, plant-based, filling, and incredibly underrated. Number 5. Cottage cheese. Half a cup has around 14 grams of protein, and it digests slowly because of its casein content. That means it keeps releasing amino acids into your bloodstream for hours. Eat it before bed and your body stays in repair mode overnight. Number 6. Tuna. 1 can of tuna gives you around 25 grams of protein for almost zero fat and very few calories. It's fast, it's cheap, and it's one of the most efficient protein sources you can find. Mix it with avocado instead of mayo for an even better version. Number 7. Almonds. A small handful, about 23 almonds, gives you 6 grams of protein along with healthy fats and fiber. It's the perfect between-meal snack that stops cravings without spiking your blood sugar. Just don't go overboard. Calories add up fast with nuts. Number 8. Black beans. Another plant-based powerhouse. 1 cup of black beans has around 15 grams of protein and nearly 15 grams of fiber. That combination is one of the most powerful satiety combos in nutrition. Add them to salads, soups, or rice bowls. Number 9. Salmon. A 3-ounce serving of salmon gives you around 22 grams of protein, plus omega-3 fatty acids that reduce inflammation and actually help regulate hunger hormones. It's one of the few foods that's simultaneously high protein, anti-inflammatory, and genuinely delicious. Number 10. Quinoa. Unlike most grains, quinoa is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids. 1 cup cooked gives you about 8 grams of protein plus complex carbs that digest slowly. It's the perfect base for any meal when you want energy that actually lasts. Quick recap of the top 10 high-protein foods that keep you full for hours. Number 1. Eggs. Number 2. Greek yogurt. Number 3. Chicken breast. Number 4. Lentils. Number 5. Cottage cheese. Number 6. Tuna. Number 7. Almonds. Number 8. Black beans. Number 9. Salmon. Number 10. Quinoa. Start with just 2 or 3 of these this week. You don't need to overhaul your entire diet overnight. Small swaps, consistent habits. That's what actually works. If this helped, send it to someone who's always hungry an hour after eating. That's the whole channel. Real fixes, not fluff.